Alright, part B of the first problem, we want to solve this by completing the square. So to complete the square, we need to get it into vertex form. So we're going to rewrite this as x something squared. We'll still have our minus 3, and we'll need to do an adjustment. So what needs to go in there? X plus 4, right? Look at that 8. The 4 is half of that 8. So x plus 4 squared, if we expanded it, it would give us an 8x. But we have now changed the value of this. And how have we changed the value? We've changed the value by that 4 squared. We've added 4 squared to this, so we need to subtract 4 squared to balance this. Think about what we're doing. If we expanded this x plus 4 quantity squared, we'd get x squared plus 8x plus 16. That's why I'm subtracting 4 squared. I'm subtracting 16 to balance it. So we'll have that minus 3, the minus 16 equals 0. So notice that that 16 balances with that 16, and we're left with x squared plus 8x minus 3, which is what we started with. So we're happy. So x plus 4 squared, let's combine that minus 3 and minus 16 to get a minus 19. Now that equals 0. We want to solve this with the square root method now. So let's add 19 to both sides. So x plus 4 squared equals positive 19. Now that we have x plus 4 squared by itself, we can square root it. So let's square root both sides. Don't forget to do the plus or minus. If you square root the left side, we're just left with x plus 4 equals, on the right side, plus or minus the square root of 19. 19 is a prime number. We cannot reduce that. We cannot simplify that anymore, so we will leave it as it is. We just want to get x by itself, so subtract 4 from both sides. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 19. And those are our two solutions. It's telling us one solution is x equals negative 4 plus the square root of 19. It's telling us another solution is x equals negative 4 minus the square root of 19. Two solutions, and we are good. We have solved this quadratic by completing the square and using the square root method.